Ayman was only 8 years old when he was diagnosed with diabetes. The news hit his family hard, especially his father, Rashid. Rashid, a single parent, worked tirelessly as a carpenter, and the added burden of managing Ayman's illness seemed insurmountable. But Rashid made a silent promise to his son: they would face this challenge together. Every morning, Rashid would prepare a specialized breakfast for Ayman, calculating the exact amount of carbohydrates and ensuring his insulin was at the right levels. They developed a ritual of going for a jog in the park before Ayman's school day began. Rashid believed that exercise was not only good for Ayman's health, but also a way to instill discipline and resilience in him. Despite the challenges, Ayman was a bright student. His curiosity often led him to the bookshelf in the living room, where Rashid kept books on various subjects. One day, Ayman found a book on human biology and became fascinated with the functioning of the pancreas and insulin production. He started asking his father questions, and Rashid, although not well versed in biology, encouraged Ayman to seek answers by studying harder. Ayman's fascination turned into passion as he grew older. He pursued his studies with unwavering determination, often staying up late to read scientific journals and conduct experiments in his makeshift laboratory in the garage. Rashid, always supportive, would bring him snacks and remind him to take breaks. But Ayman's journey was not without setbacks. During his teenage years, his blood sugar levels became increasingly difficult to manage, leading to frequent hospital visits. Each time, Rashid was by his side, offering words of encouragement and reminding Ayman of the promise they had made together. After years of hard work and sacrifice, Ayman completed his PhD in biochemistry. He focused his research on finding a cure for diabetes, driven by the hope of freeing not only himself but millions of others from the daily struggles of the disease. He spent countless hours in the lab, testing and retesting his hypotheses. Finally, on a quiet evening in the lab, the breakthrough came. Ayman had developed a compound that could potentially regenerate the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. After rigorous testing and clinical trials, the medication was approved, and Ayman became a celebrated scientist. Rashid, now retired, watched with pride as Ayman held a press conference announcing the revolutionary drug.